Hi Dion and Kirsten and everyone. It's starting to snow a lot harder outside, so I thought I'd take a video to show you guys. We've gotten like probably a little bit more than 2 feet of snow, and it's starting to snow a lot harder. And our porch is covered with snow, and the door's starting to get covered back up again. It was about halfway up, and we had to shovel it out. Dad's still stuck at work, so hopefully he'll be back tonight. I don't know. The wind is really whipping, so there's a lot of snow here. So in some spots there's like no snow, in other spots there's a lot of snow. There's icicles all over the windows, if you can see. So that's it for now. We've gotten a lot of snow, about 2 feet or more at this point. I'm not sure, we'll have to measure again soon. So I hope you guys are staying warm. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.